Here is a tutorial for the focus and rhythm-based exercise, Forbbiden Rhythm. Form the group into a circle and position yourself either in the middle or as part of the circle. Explain to the group that you will be clapping a rhythm and you want the group to clap it back to you. You may want to practice this first. Then introduce a forbidden rhythm to the group, a rhythm which they must not clap. For example, don't clap this one back.
Don't clap this one.
Long, long, short, short, long. Remind the group that you will not be speaking whilst you are clapping, and that don't clap this one back is merely to emphasize which is the forbidden rhythm. The aim is to test the group's oral and concentration skills. Try to make it difficult for them. There are numerous ways to develop this exercise. You could add a second forbidden rhythm, such as never clap this one back.
Never clap this one back. Short, short, long, short, short, long.
Or add a rhythm that requires a different physical response other than clapping. For example, tap this one upon your knees. Lastly, try experimenting with the dynamic level you deliver your clap. Perhaps you would choose to do the first half of the rhythm louder than the second, like this. You can also add a competitive element to the exercise by getting them to sit out the remainder of the exercise if they clap where they shouldn't be clapping.